antiderivative of the following functions. See students, antiderivative in the sense they asking integral of the given function, that is nothing but original function of the following function by method of infection. Okay, right. See here. So what is the use of this integral calculus? What is the use of integral calculus? In case if a given function is derivative of f of x, like okay, f dash of x is given, or df by dx is given, or else this is dy by dx is given, or y dash is equal to, they given some function like sin x. Okay, this sin x plus 2 I am taking. This sin x plus 2 is a derivative of the function. It is not a original function. They given it is the derivative of the function. Then what is the original function? You may take plus 2 or you may not be take plus 2. So this is the derivative of the function. Now I want to know the original function, that is f of x. So how can you find the original function f of x by using f dash of x? Yes. So to find that, we have to take integration on both sides. So in this case, so we introduced that the calculus, this is called integral calculus. That we know that the fundamental calculus, in fundamental calculus, we are going to discuss about two types of integration. That is, I told you, indefinite integration, definite integration. Indefinite means without limits, definite means with limits. Okay, right, students? So with limits, this is called definite integration. Without limits, the integration is called indefinite integration. So the process of finding the integral is called integration. Okay, the process of finding integral is, okay, yes, the process of integration is okay, inverse is differentiation, and integration is inverse to each other. Inverse to each other means the derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. The integral of cos x will be sin x. Both will be inverse to each other. Right, friend? So in the first question, they asking the antiderivative by the method of inspection, right? So this is in the sense, since we know that the derivative of what function becomes sin 2x. The derivative of what function becomes sin 2x. Nothing but this is sin 2x is the given, f dash of x is sin 2x they given. We have to find antiderivative, nothing but we need to find original function. So since we know that generally sin 2x is there, this is the derivative of cos 2x. Okay, this is the derivative of cos 2x. Okay, fine, look it here. In this case, I want to write here, the first question is sin 2x, that the antiderivative of sin 2x is a function. Antiderivative of sin 2x is a function of sin 2x. It is known that, see here, I want to take here, sin 2x is given by generally cos 2x. I am taking here cos 2x. Okay, what is the derivative of cos 2x? Anyone? Cos 2x is derivative minus,
minus sine 2x times 2.
that's all. But we required only sin 2x. So now this minus 2 is there, minus 2 I want to cross multiply. So whenever I cross multiply, I want to know just sin 2x, and sin 2x can be written as, so minus 1 by 2, just this minus 2 can cross multiply, we are going to get like this cos 2x. So only I keep that one side only sin 2x, because we require sin 2x alone. So this is can be written as d by dx of this minus 1 by 2, you can take inside minus 1 by 2 of cos 2x. Yes. So therefore, finally, what shall we write? Therefore, in the question, the antiderivative, of antiderivative of sine 2x is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Clear, students? This bracket, whatever the bracket, inside the bracket, this is the antiderivative. Okay, like that. This is the answer with help of method of inflection, right? Clear, students?
So,
So
sir, when we differentiate minus 1 by 2 cos 2x, like the whole function, then we should get sine 2x.
yeah, yes, obviously. If you differentiate this, you are going to get sine 2x. So you can check it once.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, will this type of questions have more than one answer, sir?
See, indefinite integration, we may have more than one answer. In integration, one question we can do in 2-3 ways. 2-3 answer there. But when we simplify finally, we'll get the from one answer to we get another answer also. From one answer. For example, look at here, uh, like this
Sir,
formula,
take sine
cos.
square x, we will get the same, sir.
Yeah, exactly. Sine square x. So how can we do the sine square x? Sine square x dx is there. So we can do,
D by dx of
yeah,
sine 2x will give, see, sine square x will give sine 2x, sir.
d by dx, that derivative.
Yes, sir.
When you want to do integration, so there are two methods are there. One is sine power nx dx. With help of direct formula, we'll do it. But sine square x, generally sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Dx will do like this. So 1 by 2 is a constant, 1 minus cos 2x. Then you can find the integral of 1 and integral of cos 2x. I'll explain you this kind of questions in next classes. Okay. So most of the students, they are confusing, sir, what is the correct answer? Either will get any particular answer for the given question. We can't say. We cannot say that.
Okay, sir.
I'll tell you, no problem. Many questions are there, that kind of, right? Okay, see here, because cos 2x formula you can take, there are 4 formulas are there, all are correct. We can derive one formula to other formula. But what is the formula you want to write if they ask cos 2x? Whether you want to write cos square x minus sin square x, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. How do you know whether? So anything is correct. We can write any answer. Like that, the integration also, there are 2 or 3 different answers we will get. All are correct only. Okay. Right. Is it clear, Amma? So in the first one, we have to write the steps like this. This is enough. Say sine 2x antiderivative they ask. Antiderivative in the nothing but integration. Let's see integration will get the same or not. Integral sine 2x. Integral sine 2x is, what is the integral sine x formula, students? Integral sine x formula is minus cos x plus c. Okay, here minus cos 2x by c, or in integration you should write by 2. In differentiation into 2, in integration by 2 plus c. Say, got it? Same answer or not? Plus c alone I didn't write, even you can write plus c also, no problem. Minus 1 by 2. This is nothing but minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Yes, in both the cases answer will be same, but they asking the method of inflection, so that you have to write approach like this. Next, for example, cos 3x is there. Let us do anyone. Okay, cos 3x you can try. Cos 3x, in that case you have to take a sin 3x. Sin 3x, you can differentiate this sin 3x. We are going to get cos 3x into 3. This 3 you can cross multiply. So 1 by 3 d by dx of sin 3. This is the answer. This 1 by 3 you can take inside. So coming to fifth question, e power 2x you can take. Third one, what is the question we'll do? Whatever. Yeah, third question. Let us see some third question and fifth question. Uh, e, uh, e power 2x. Okay, what is the derivative of the function becomes e power 2x? E power
Finish
2x
power.
only. Same. After this, you have to write the same sentence like antiderivative of e power 2x is a function of e power 2x. It is known that like that you have to write. Okay. So d by dx of e power 2x is equal to e power 2x into 2. But we want only e power 2x in the question. So this e power 2x is equal to 1 by 2 times of d by dx of e power 2x. Okay, 1 by 2 you can take inside d by dx of 1 by 2 e power 2x. Even you can write plus c also because plus c cannot be changed the values. So d by dx of c will become 0. So this is the answer. So the antiderivative of e power 2x is the antiderivative of e power 2x is 1 by 2 e power 2x plus c. That's all. Yeah, take that fifth question. Fifth or fourth question, your wish. If I take the fifth question here, sine 2x minus sine 2x minus 4 e power 3x. Okay, students, right. So what is the function we can consider here? Okay, so we want to know sine 2x. Sine 2x actually, it is the, just a moment, students. Okay, students. Right, look at it. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, right. It actually is sine 2x. For what function will give sine 2x? That we know that cos 2x. But here you have to observe that here it is plus is there, here minus is there. So when will you get that plus? Cos 2x is minus 2 sine 2x. But here plus is there, to get plus you should take minus. Now if I consider this as a original function if I consider as minus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 4 by 3 power 3x, look at here, when you differentiate whether we are going to get the same or not. Yes, same, because see here minus 1 by 2. Okay, what is the derivative of cos 2x? I have written here. The derivative of cos 2x is minus 2 sine 2x minus. Why should I taken? Why we want to take 4 by 3? So why can't we take only 4?
Sure, because
Because
the
e,
derivative of e power 3x
yeah,
gives 3
e
e
power 3x is there. Exactly. E power 3x derivative is e power 3x into 3. The derivative of e power 3x is, now look at here. Here 2 to get cancelled, minus into minus plus, here 3 get cancelled. Okay. Now you may take here plus c also, because plus c derivative is 0, c derivative 0. So now look at here, we are going to get same function, given function sine 2x minus 4 times of e power 3x plus c plus 0. No, sorry. That's it. Now, so what shall we conclude here then? Hence, are therefore the antiderivative of sine 2x minus 4e power 3x is, so minus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 4 by 3 e power 3. We may get doubts, sir. How can we know that this is the antiderivative of the given function? How can we say that generally in this method? So very simple. If you don't know to take the function, simply how to integrate the given function. That's it. If you integrate, you know what is the integral of sine 2x, what is the integral of e power 3x. That's all. Sine 2x is minus cos 2x by 2, e minus 4 times of e power 3x is e power 3x by 3. That's all. This is the function I have chosen here. I have chosen, right? Simple, students. If you don't know the function, original function, simply you have to integrate. Right, students? Having any doubts? If you integrate, you will get the one function. That function alone you can differentiate. You will get the.
Sir, we have to show the steps after we find the integral of the given function.
We have to.
There's 2 steps after we find d by dx.
Yes. Yeah, you have to write the steps. Steps compulsory in NCERT. Okay. Maximum try to write more number of steps. It's depending on the question. It may be if it is 5 marks, write more number of problems. You have to mention the formulas and that. If it is 2 marks question, that's your wish. Either you can mention the formulas or not. It's depending on the time. Okay. Okay. So this is about first 5 questions. But right, so yesterday we have done till question number. Yes, twins. 12.
Yes, sir.
Right, next. Shall we do the question number 13? Question number 13. See here. What is the common in first 2 terms in question number 13? Question number 13 is I. I'm taking as capital I. Capital I is equal to I, nothing but integration. Integral x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 dx. Right? Okay, right. I is equal to integral of, what is the common in first 2 terms, Amma? Yes, twins. And what is the common last 2 terms? X square is common. Here x minus 1 plus 1 is common, x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into dx. So here in both that, again x minus 1 is common, x square plus 1 by x minus 1 into dx. This is a simple question actually. Now x minus 1, x minus 1.
Sir, actually, couldn't we split it into 2 terms and then find the integral separately, then add, like?
You want to split into 2 functions?
Yeah.
Yeah, your wish, your wish. Your wish. Dx. Now, here we finally we got x square plus 1. You can write it separately. So x square into dx and plus integral 1 into dx. Okay. So I split it into 2 functions like x square. I have written separately. X square is x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1. Integral 1 nothing but derivative integral cancel. It is x plus c. Okay, since in the bracket you have to write the formulas. What is the formula used here? Here integral x power n. So that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here 2 different functions are there, but you have to write only once this c. Don't write c1 plus c2, 2 different constant. This is the answer. Having any doubts, students? It's a simple question. First two terms I have taken x square. Last two terms I am taking one is common. I have done like this. Next, this you can try multiply. So next question you have to try just multiply with root x. Root x means it is root x. Root x we have to write x power 1 by 2. Now you can apply this formula. Dx x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Yesterday I have written direct formula also. You can try to remember the formula. It is very useful in OBT. Root x formula you have to remember. 1 by root x formula you have to remember. Both you have to remember. Clear, students? Okay.
One minute, can you show the slides now?
Yes. Previous one.
Oh, sir, down, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Today I'll post all recorded videos, and this slide also will be posted in your classroom. Once you can go through that, right? Next, this you can try easy. I'm going to do this kind of questions are easy for you. So multiply with root x square into root x. X square into root x, first you should write like this. X square x power 1 by 2. 1 by base is same, power you should add 2 plus 1 by 2. Nothing but x power 5 by 2. After that, now you can apply x power n formula. In the same way, remaining also multiply here, multiply here. This kind of questions are important. So 16 questions. 2x. What is the 16th question, Amma? I is equal to integral of 2x minus 3 cos x right. See here, first I want to write the separate for all these functions, different functions. 2 is a constant here. To take it outside, remaining is x dx. Minus 3 is a constant, and integral of cos x into dx, plus e power x is a function, e power x into dx. Is that clear, students? With the help of the property of integration, I have written like this. Constant I have taken outside. Okay. Then look at here. It is x power 1. What is the integral of x? X power 2 by 2. That is nothing but 1 plus 1. Yeah. 3 into what is the integral of cos x? All formulas you have to mention here. So d by dx of x power n formula is n plus 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And second formula d by dx of cos x is sin x plus sin x. The few students like in last year, they have written the integral of cos x is minus sin x, not minus sin x here. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x, but integral of cos x is plus sin x. Okay. So integral cos x is, here it is plus sin x. Plus e power x is e power x. At last, what I said, just write c. That's all. Therefore, the answer, the integral of given function, these two to get cancelled. X square minus 3 sin x plus e power x. At last, add c. That's all. Okay, direct formulas here. Any doubts, students? Yeah, question number 17. Can anyone tell that the answer for that 2x square? Yes, 2x square. X square integral is, if it is an objective question, we write directly, we can write 2 into x square is x cube by 3 plus 2 into x. X derivative is x square by 2 plus 5 root x. Root x derivative, I told you clearly, 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. That's all. This is the answer. X square is x cube by 3. And sorry here, sin x is there. Okay, I thought this one. Okay, anyhow, sin x will be minus cos x. Okay, 5 root x. Okay, this is also simple question. Simple questions and all I'm giving as a homework. Okay, difficult question I'll do it here. So 18th question. 18th question, tell me here. Okay. 18th one. Oh. Yes. Yes. Right. Next one is next question is secant x into secant x. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. What is the answer for 18th? 18th, when we multiply here secant square x, direct formula, plus secant x tan x, direct formula. Both will be direct formula. Yesterday I have given already. This is tan x plus this is secant x. This is the answer. Okay. 18th one is when we multiply here, given integral is secant into secant square x plus secant x into tan x. These are the direct formulas. Okay, this is, you can write, try to write the steps, so you can write separately secant x tan x dx. So this is clearly tan x. The tan x derivative is clearly, so is it tan x or not? Yeah, once you can check this. What is the derivative of tan x? Secant square x. Absolutely right. So what is the derivative of secant x tan x is? Sorry, what is the derivative of secant x is? Secant x tan x, right? So let's see. This is the answer. Got it, students? This is the answer. Very simple question. Right, question number 19. Secant square by cosecant square.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, since there are two integrals, there should be two constants, no, sir.
Yeah, there's a reason. You may, okay, for example, You may consider the first constant as C1 plus C1. I'm taking for second one is C2. So finally, what is C1 plus C2? What is C1 plus C2? Is it a constant or not?
Sir.
Yeah, that I want to take C1 plus C2 as again C. There may be three functions are there, three integrals are there. We will get three constants, C1 plus C2 plus C3. I want to take as C again. That's the reason simply you can write C alone. Here no need to write C1 plus C2 like that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. Next, secant square x by cosecant square x. See students, having if you have any small doubt also you can ask. Right? So secant square x by cosecant square x. So this, is there any formula for u by v? There is no formula for u by v, so that you can try to convert it into sine and cos. Secant square can be written as 1 by cos square x. 1 by cosecant square x becomes sine square x and dx. So this is equal to sine square by cos square is tan square x dx. See, students, you have to remember that there are only two formulas for only secant square x dx and cosecant square x dx alone. We don't have any formula for sine square x. We don't have any formula for sine square x directly. We don't have any formula for tan square x directly. We don't have any formula for cot square x. We don't have. Okay, directly we don't have. But we have direct formula for secant square x. Secant square x is, what is the integral of secant square x? Tan x. What is the integral? What is the integral of cosecant square x? Minus cot x plus c plus c. But we don't have any formula for sine square, cos square, tan square, cot square. But here these formulas are where these questions like integral sine square x, integral cos square, integral tan square. These three are very important. They may ask for 2 marks. Clear, students? Let's see. See here, tan square x, we got it. Okay, is there any formula for tan square x? The derivative of what function becomes tan square?
Secant
We
square x
don't.
minus 1, sir.
Secant 4x.
Exactly. Exactly. Since we know that 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. With the help of this, tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. So dx, now you can write it separately, secant square x dx minus integral dx, 1 dx plus c. After, now you can write integral secant square is tan x again minus nothing but x plus c. That's it. This is the required integral value.
Sir, we can't write secant 4x.
Yes,
We can't write secant 4x.
secant power 2x, like secant x whole square.
No, sir, because I'm asking secant square x is equal to tan x.
Secant equal to,
Tan x. So then secant square x to the whole power 2 should also be equal to tan square x.
yes, x whole square also is equal to tan square. Secant x becomes 1 plus tan square x or tan. But integral c becomes only tan x derivative alone. Clear? The last minus 3 sin x I is 2 minus 3 sin x by square x dx. Okay, so your this can so your integral right it side separate 2 by minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx.
Hey, your screen is lagging.
Is it you see the screen properly? 2 is a constant, you can take it outside. 1 by cos square becomes secant square x dx minus, see, look at your students, minus 3. Minus 3 is a constant, take it outside. See, shall I write here this cos square x as cos x into cos x? Is it okay? What is sin x by cos x, Amma? Sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. What is 1 by cos x? 1 by cos x, shall I write this 1 by cos x, shall I write secant x into sin x by cos. Look at 2 by cos square, 2 is a constant, secant square x integral minus 3 times of, yeah, x formula. Yes, x tan x is secant x. See students, process itself, how I want to practice, I don't want should be remember the formulas given yesterday. Okay, we can practice it twice, thrice, 5 times, 10 times, whatever you do, try to remember formula. See, so first you have to change it to standard form. Change the standard form. The given integrand is not in standard form. Not in standard form, you can make them to standard form. Is there a formula directly for 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x? No. So first what I have done, I divided with cos square x separately, then I have taken constant outside, then 1 by cos square is secant square, and this sin x by cos square I have written cos x into cos x, sin by cos becomes a tan, and 1 by cos becomes secant. So secant x into tan x is secant x. Right, students? So, but you should not apply your UV rule. Direct, it is a formula. Next, I'm going to start these questions and all. Okay, yesterday I think so we have done 21st question. 22nd question I'll explain you, then I can give the break. What is the answer? You only tell me for this question. Answer for this question. See students, they asking original function. Derivative of the function, nothing but f dash of x is they have given 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. D by dx of f of x means f dash of x only. You may keep like this. Now we want to find f of x. For that, what shall we do? F of x is equal to integral of f dash of x. Integral of f dash of x, or else you can write as it is like d by dx of f of x. Your wish. D by dx of f of x. Look at your derivative integral always get cancelled. But what is the d by dx of f of x they have given? 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. Okay, students. Now, this is equal to 4 is a constant, take it outside, integral x cube dx minus 3 is a constant, you can take it outside. 1 by x power 4 can be written as x power minus 4 into dx. Take it in numerator. So 4 into x power 4 by 4 minus 3 times of x minus 4 plus 1 by 1. This is equal to, get cancel, x power 4 minus it to right minus 3 times of x power minus 3 by minus 3. Minus 3 get cancelled. So this is equal to x power 4 plus minus to minus plus no. X power minus 3 is 1 by x cube. The answer will be, what is the correct? Plus C you should write. The option A,
Sir,
C,
shouldn't
which
it be
C,
1
sir.
by
for
x? X.
plus hidden. So point. This is clearly x value. F of, but we want to know that they, what is the condition? F of 2 is equal to 0. So f of 2 is equal to f of 2, replace x by 4 plus 2 plus c is equal to 0. So clearly we don't want to evaluate c is equal to what? C is equal to this. Surely we'll get the same value. 129 by 8, not required to simplify. Surely we'll get 8. So C is equal to minus. So option A is correct. After finding C value, again replace here. Okay, ma?
So can you show the presentation?